Hello friends, in the last video we have seen two basic types of fractions, that is what is mean by proper fraction and what is mean by like fractions. Proper fractions, they are always less than 1, they are not one complete whole, while the like fractions in which the two wholes they are divided in the same number of parts, and we are going to take different number of parts from both the different wholes. Now we will continue to see what are the different types of more fractions. So I'm going to share my presentation. So we have seen that in the like fractions, the comparison is very easy. Here, my friend has taken 2 pieces out of 8, and I have taken 3 pieces out of 8 pieces from the same size of roti. Definitely, I take more pieces of the roti, or I eat more roti as compared to my friends. We'll see one more example. In this, we are going to take one pizza. This pizza is being divided into 6 equal parts, and we have taken 3 parts of it, and the fraction will be 3 out of 6. We are going to take one more pizza of the same size, and this pizza is being divided into 8 equal parts, and we have taken 3 parts out of it. Now you can see that the first pizza is being divided into 8 equal parts, and second pizza is divided into 6 equal parts. Then what's so different is we have taken three parts in the both the cases, but whether we have taken the same amount of pizza in both the cases, well, definitely not. As seen from the picture, it will be very clear that from the first pizza we have taken smaller part, and from second we have taken the larger part. Now in this both the cases, we are going to see that both the pizzas they are not divided into equal number of parts, so the fractions are so obtained like 3 by 8 and 3 by 6, they are known as unlike fractions. Although we have taken same number of parts from the pizza, but the pizzas they are not divided into equal number of parts. So in this cases, unlike fractions, the wholes they are not divided into equal number of parts, and that's why just by looking to them, their comparison or their addition will become difficult. So one more type we have seen that the unlike fractions. Okay, now we will see what is mean by improper fraction and what is mean by mixed fraction. Now I have taken one roti which is being divided into eight equal parts. I have taken second roti also which is being divided into 8 parts. Now I'm very much hungry. Even after eating two rotis which are divided into 8 equal parts, I have taken 3 parts from the third roti. Now, in all, how much roti I have taken or I have ate? Well, we can see that I have taken two whole rotis and 3 pieces from the third. And I can say that I have actually eaten 19 parts from the given rotis, or the whole roti is being divided into 8 pieces. Such 19 pieces I have ate, and this fraction can be shown as 19 pieces in which the whole is being divided into 8. So 19 out of 8 or 19 upon 8 I can show like this, and this fraction is being known as improper fraction. Why this is being known as improper fraction? Because now the number of parts taken, they are more than the number of parts in which the whole is divided. You can see each roti is being divided into 8 equal parts, but the number of parts you have taken, they are 90. So this improper fraction is nothing but a mixture of the some whole part and some fraction. That's why this is being known as the improper fraction, and this is being more than 1. This improper fraction can be shown in another way also, like I have shown here, that I have taken two whole and then 3 pieces out of 8 in the third one, this being known as a mixed fraction. And this 19 out of 8, 19 pieces in which the whole is being divided into 18 pieces, this is being known as the improper fraction, and 2 whole 3 by 8 is being known as a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is nothing but a mixture of a whole and a part of something. So we have now seen what is mean by unlike fractions and what is mean by mixed fraction. Now, what is mean by equivalent fraction? Well, in the last year also, we have seen that equivalent fraction is nothing but the fraction which indicates the same part. Let us take an example of a circle. This circle is being divided into four number of parts, and if I shade one part out of it, I am saying that this is the one part. Now I am going to take same size circle. I am going to divide that circle into 8 equal parts, and I am going to shade two part out of it. This actually shows two part out of 8 parts. Now see at both the circles and see the shaded part of both the circles, whether it is equal. Yes, definitely. So these two fractions, 1 by 4 and 2 by 8, they are showing the same part of the whole circle, and that's why they are known as equivalent fraction. So now we have seen what does it mean by improper fraction, what does it mean by mixed fraction, what does it mean by unlike fractions, and what does it mean by equivalent fractions. In the next video, we'll see some more examples of equivalent fractions, and then we are going to see how to check the equivalence of fraction. Till then, goodbye.